forklift. Forklift is a type of truck with large metal forks, used for carrying and raising things. It is commonly used in large warehouses.
Road roller, plural, road rollers. A heavy engineering vehicle used to compact asphalt in the construction of roads.
A power shovel is a bucket-equipped machine, usually electrically powered, used for digging and loading earth or fragmented rock and for mineral extraction. Acrony is a type of machine, generally equipped with a hoist rope, wire rope assorkins, and sheaves, that can be used both to lift and lower materials, and to move them horizontally. Livestock transportation is the movement of livestock by road, rail, ship, or air. Power trucks are propelled by batteries and an electric motor drive, or by an internal combustion engine with either a mechanical drive or a generator and electric motor drive. Propane and diesel engines are used in place of gasoline engines on some types.